In this tutorial, we are going to build a pergola and then add a full trellis to one side. We'll start with the basic pergola frame, 4 vertical posts and the top beams that connect them. Next, we'll begin adding the trellis. Start by creating one long beam, resize it to match the height of the pergola, and position it along the inside of the frame. Duplicate this beam 2 more times to create the 3 long vertical supports of the trellis, and space them evenly across the side. Once the vertical beams are in place, we'll add the horizontal slats. Duplicate a single board, rotate it flat, and move it across the vertical beams. Then duplicate that slat multiple times to fill out the entire trellis grid, keeping the spacing consistent for a clean, balanced look. By building the frame first and then layering in the trellis structure, you get a strong, organized design that's easy to adjust.